Strategy pattern, also called policy pattern, where the client changes the strategy at runtime depending on the current situation. Like in Counter-Strike game, a counter-terrorist city will try to defend and prevent terrorists from planting the bomb, and the terrorist will always try to attack. But once the bomb is planted, city will try to attack and defuse the bomb. Whereas the terrorist will adopt different strategy and prevent city from defusing the bomb. Let's see how to implement it in Java. We will create a Counter-Strike class which will be our client class. We will come to this later. We will create a strategy interface iStrategy and have an abstract method action command. Strategy may be of two types, defensive or attack. Let's create defensive strategy class and implement iStrategy interface. In defensive strategy, action will be protect self and teammate. For simplicity, I just print it. Similarly, we will have aggressive strategy to attack. And in action command, we will console out find and kill opponent. Next, we need to have player with different behavior and can be of type terrorist or counter-terrorist. So we will overload the constructor and assign player type to this.type. And in set strategy method, we will set the player behavior to this.behavior. This can be defensive or aggressive. We will have another method action to perform some command. We will print out the player type and invoke his behavior using behavior.action command. Now in client class Counter-Strike, we will create two players, terrorist and new player counter-terrorist for city. And set strategy for terrorist to aggressive and for city set strategy as defensive, and this behavior is before the bomb is planted. Once we run the program, we can see that Terrorist.action has made an aggressive call because the strategy of the player was set to aggressive. And counter-terrorist.action went defensive. And once the bomb is planted, client will change the behavior in runtime and set defensive for terrorist, and for counter-terrorist behavior is aggressive because they need to defuse the bomb before time. And now terrorist.action will implement defensive behavior and CT will be in attacking mode. This is a simple example to understand how strategy design pattern works. That's all for this tutorial. See you again in next design pattern tutorials. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for upcoming video tutorials. See you next time.